Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel that features some of the most epic road moments caught on driver's dashcam. This episode is going to be something really special because we prepared only the best moments in which cops are on time and justice being served. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes, and without any further ado, let's get this one started. If you want to be speeding in construction zone and act all tough in front of police officer, you better prepare yourself for the no sequences of your actions. After all, you reap what you sow, and this rude driver is about to get what he deserved. As soon as this driver noticed the cop, he hit his brakes as hard as he could. He should have done the speed limit in the first place. Camera caught another reckless driver speeding on his dashcam, and unfortunately for him, he wasn't only caught on camera. An officer pulled him over as well. He surely regrets his decision now. We have some rude drivers using the shoulder of the road to avoid rush hour. Some of them got away, but others were less fortunate. A karma cop saw a driver trying to sneak his way on the shoulder, and he immediately responds with pulling him over. It looks like we have a rear-end accident in front, and the police was just at the right time and right place to intervene as well. Always make sure to keep a safe distance between yourself and the vehicle in front.
Let me see your phone. I'll see if I can pull it manually. the ring one though. It's fire. I want to see for how it really works with my mom.
Red light camera recorded ahead.
Really?
He's just escorting. He's not,
In this video, we have another impatient driver using the shoulder of the road to pass other vehicles, and he got just what he deserved. Watch. Running a red light in front of police officer is not a good idea and something you should definitely avoid doing. This driver thought otherwise, but he got reality checked really fast. Two vehicles collided at the intersection due to impatience and not paying attention at the traffic lights. Police was already on the scene of the accident, and I hope that no one was in life danger.
Sponsored by Pfizer.
We have a driver who is driving with his lights off, and during the night as well. Just when the camera was about to roll his window down and tell him that his lights were off, he ran a red light. With this cool police clip, we conclude another episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning a thing or two on proper road behavior and respect. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because it helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, drive safe and eyes wide open.